The Infiniti Q60 Black S gets an F1 KERS system. This is the Infiniti Q60 Black S that will be debuting at the Geneva Motor Show, sporting some intense bodywork and an F1-inspired powertrain. It exists to draw a closer parallel between the Renault F1 program and the Infiniti brand, a relationship that's surely easier to understand in Europe than it is here, but so be it. Other than the wild bodywork, which includes a heavily sculpted front fascia, bigger size sills, 2 howitzer-sized exhaust pipes, and a massive rear wing, there's the F1-inspired KERS system. Exactly what that will be is up in the air. The F1 system is complex and expensive. While Infiniti says they want to engineer a road-going solution that's as similar as possible to the F1 KERS system, it's likely it'll be watered down a bit for production. All in all, the 3.0-liter, twin-turbo V6 and the KERS system should combine to produce about 500 horsepower. That's all well and good, if it makes it out of concept car purgatory. Remember the Q50 Eau Rouge, the last Infiniti that got car enthusiasts' undivided attention? Well, it got cancelled. We're not sure what the appeal of an F1 tie-in would be to American shoppers, so who knows if the Black S will emerge as a rest of world special, or at all.